Kiran Datta from B17. Are you there? Sri Charan, B32.
Sir, we did verification of Kirchhoff's law and KCL, sir, but we haven't written record or anything.
So you have to write the record because you are at your home. Huh? So
You haven't provided any material like reference.
I have told you the procedure how to write record.
No, sir.
What to write in the record I have told you in the previous lab sessions.
Directly we conducted experiment in simulator. That's it.
No, about record. You have to write the aim first. Okay, anyhow, only one assignment you have completed, right?
Yes, sir.
So today, what is the next assignment? Do you know?
And second experiment is verification of DC superposition theorems.
Today we shall conduct that. Okay.
Yes.
So you all are having the link which I have provided you, right? So CR is there today.
No, sir, not there.
Both CRs are not there. No one.
There are the,
Okay, maybe they might have not joined. So everyone go to that link.
sir, which links?
Last week we have done now. A link. Don't you keep that link which I have provided? Huh?
First experiments.
First experiment you have done.
Sir, are you asking about first
Huh?
Are you asking about first or second?
For both the same link which we have conducted the first experiment, the link in which we have conducted first experiment, that same link we will conduct using same link we will conduct a few experiments. Okay. So these theorems, KVL, KCL theorems verification, and machines also we conduct using the same link. The experiments related to machines also we are going to conduct in the same link. Okay. So anyhow, I will open it. Once again, I will share you the link. Please wait 1 minute or 2 minutes.
Sir, that link is present on chat.
Okay, this one. We connected using this. Okay, then let's go to that. I'm searching for a newer one, which will be useful for machines labs also. Okay. That too, if you directly get in the net, you will get it. To type in the address one, you can easily go to that. Colorado University. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, what is the next experiment? Today's experiment? Superposition theorem. DC superposition theorem,
Yes,
right?
sir. Verification of DC superposition theorem.
So CR has comma. Any CR? 23 or 24? No one came. Right. So superposition theorem statement is what? Anyone? Statement of superposition theorem. Superposition theorem చెప్పండి ఎవరైనా? Jayant, roll number 16. Are you there? Jayant. Okay. So you people are not responding. I am noting down your numbers. Those who are not responding. Okay, please note down that. Please remember that. Sarath Kumar, 57.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the superposition theorem. Statement of superposition theorem.
Superposition theorem states that the response in a branch of bilateral is equal to algebraic sum of response caused by each independent source.
Repeat.
It states that the response of any branch of a bilateral linear circuit.
Response of any branch.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Where
Of a bilateral linear circuit.
linear bilateral circuit.
Having more than one independent source
Very good.
equal to
Hmm.
algebraic sum of responses caused by each independent source.
Right. Very good. So to have a net response of the element in a linear bilateral network, there must be, or otherwise to verify superposition theorem, there must be at least more than one source, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So how many batteries we must connect here? How many sources we have to use?
More than one, sir.
Two, sir.
More than one.
Basically, two,
More
sir.
than one. So
More
at
than
least
one.
two. And there must be one element. Since our the superposition theorem, the experiment is DC only. That means for you it is given in the syllabus that DC superposition theorem, right?
Yes, sir.
So it is applicable to AC circuits also, but in your syllabus it is given only for DC. So that's why we use a DC cell battery and resistors only. Okay. So I want to join a circuit like this, a T network. So before that I will show you. You take three resistors like this, join them in a T format. Okay. We take another. So these are the wires connecting. So you take network like this. If you take a network like this, and at the left end you connect one source, and at the right end you connect another source. Okay. Excuse me. Okay. So this current direction is not conventional. Right side, you make it conventional current direction. So what do you see from this figure, from this circuit? Both batteries, left side one and right side one, right? Both are supplying current. Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Some people have put some chart messages. Okay, okay. So both the sources are supplying current. If you want, you can connect another source also. Here, these two batteries, you must remember is, what you must remember here is these two cells which we are using on left side and right side parts of the circuit, both are voltage sources only. These are not current sources. Okay. So values, if you click on the right side, you can see all resistors are 10 ohms, and all both the sources are 9 volts only, right? So you can change the values, right? You can change the values of resistors, right? You can keep different resistors also. So for this, um, we can keep any value for the resistors. So it is 10 ohms now. So I will make it, I will reduce it to 4 ohms. And this also I will reduce to some 3 ohms. Like that, batteries, you tell me how much resistance shall we put for the center resistor?
Anything, no problem.
Huh? How much?
Five.
Hmm?
5 ohms.
5 ohms పెడదామా? Okay. So 5 ohms we have kept. Now sources, how much voltage shall we keep? What is the maximum value of this source? We can keep up to, oh, 24 volts. Let us make it some 20 volts. Okay, we'll make this 24. Now this one. Twenty volts I kept. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
For this circuit, it's a simple circuit only. I have taken this T circuit, a simple T circuit, so that you can easily understand first. There is still simple circuit is there. Let us construct that circuit also, right? If you are having any doubt, every doubt shall be cleared there. Okay. Now you observe both sources are supplying current, right? So left side source is supplying current, right side source is supplying current. Both are current supplying. Now all the resistors are carrying current. Okay. So according to our superposition theorem, the current that is flowing, the response of any element. Response means what here? What is the response of, say, this 3 ohms resistor? What do you mean by response of element? Tell me, superposition theorem is already over in the theory. You have to respond.
Voltage or current, sir?
Right. So voltage of or current through, voltage across or current through the 3 ohms. 3 ohms across voltage is one response, current through 3 ohms is another response. So any response, any of these two response is because of both the sources. So that is what. But how to find out the response because of an individual source? How to find out the response of individual source? Tell me. What do we do the other sources
Short circuits.
when we consider one source? Because we are supposed to find out a response of one source at a time. So obviously, when considering only one source, what about the other sources? That is what that is what we have to bring to our memory now, so that we will be doing a practical here. Right? So current through this 3 ohms is because of 24 volts as well as 20 volts, right? So I will consider 24 volts source alone to find out current through say for example, we are interested in current, right? So to find out current through 3 ohms, because of the both sources, first I will consider 24 volts alone and find the current through 3 ohms. But the question is what to do this 20 ohms when considering alone 24 ohms alone, 24 volts alone. What should we do?
Replace
Sir,
it
we will
with
short circuit it.
Short circuit. Why we should short circuit this 20 volts?
Sir, to find the current from the another source.
Why not open circuit? Why short circuit only?
Because it is a voltage source.
So voltage source. What type of voltage source it is? Gopal Krishna has put in the chat message. Gopal Krishna, you please open your mic, turn on your mic and speak.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
don't make this as a WhatsApp.
Okay.
Bala Gopal Krishna Sahu 53 32 B32.
Yes, sir.
So why should we uh, short circuit this 20 volt source?
To reduce its effect, sir. I mean, to reduce its response on the.
To reduce the source to zero or to nullify this effect of the source, this 20 volt source on the circuit, we have to short circuit. Okay, but why don't you make it open circuit? For that, someone of your class told that it is a voltage source, right? So because it is a voltage source, you have to short circuit this voltage source. But what type of voltage source it is? That is what my question. Which type of voltage source we should short circuit? Don't please put chat messages. Only open up and speak. Balasubramaniam, you also.
Independent source.
Independent voltage source. Huh?
Ideal, sir.
Right. Ideal voltage source. You have to keep that in mind. For ideal voltage source, it will have a zero
Resistance.
internal resistance. Okay. అంటే మనము ఇంజనీరింగ్ వీఆర్ స్టడీయింగ్ రైట్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ వీ మస్ట్ నో ఎందుకు దీన్ని వై షుడ్ వి షార్ట్ సర్క్యూట్ దిస్ అండ్ వై షుడ్ ఓపెన్ సర్క్యూట్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఇస్ అ కరెంట్ సోర్స్ those things we must be able to give reason. Okay, so those things I have explained you in the theory class. If you want me to explain now again once again, I will do it. Okay, so because this voltage source is a ideal voltage source, we assume that this is the ideal voltage source. Otherwise you can think this 3 ohms is as a internal resistance of this source. Okay, so either way you can think. Okay, let us consider this 20 volts and 24 volts, both are ideal voltage sources. So if they are ideal voltage sources, their internal resistance is how much? 0.
Yes.
So 0 ohms. So 0 ohms means what to do now? Zero ohms means what? It is a resistance of 0 ohms. You can connect a resistor here and make it 0 ohms, or you can directly connect these two like this. So what is the resistance of this right side conductor? 0 ohms. Okay. Now how much current is flowing through 3 ohms? బాబు సూపర్ పొజిషన్ థియరం అర్థం కాకపోతే ఇప్పుడు ల్యాబ్లో మీకు ఖచ్చితంగా అర్థమై తీరుతుంది. ఓకేనా? నేను కొంచెం స్లోగా చెప్తాను, మీరు ఫాలో అవ్వండి. నేను ఫాస్ట్గా చెప్పమంటే 5 minutesలో అయిపోతుంది, మొత్తం టకటక అయిపోతుంది. ఓకే. సో దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఎ మ్యాటర్ ఫర్ అస్. మన క్లాస్లో 31 సెక్షన్ వాళ్ళు కూడా ఉన్నారా? B31 వాళ్ళు?
No, sir. Only
B30 ఉంది సార్.
Okay. Sorry. So to measure the current to 3 ohms, we need to connect a ammeter. I am connecting a ammeter here in series with the so how much it is showing? Two point
2.5 amperes.
2.55 amperes, right? So this is the current flowing through 3 ohms because of 24 volts alone. Okay, అంటే అర్థమైందా? So from left to right in 3 ohms a current of 2.55 ohms is flowing. మీరు అదే కనుక ఈ అమ్మీటర్ ఇక్కడ పెట్టారనుకోండి ఇన్ సిరీస్ విత్ 4 ohms, it will show some other current. Okay, so same current flowing through this ammeter and 3 ohms, both are in series, right? Hello?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Right, now right this is the I1, note it down. So 2.55 ohms is the current that is flowing through this 3 ohms resistor because of 24 volts, and the current is from left side terminal to right side terminal, right? The direction of current is from left side terminal to right side terminal, right? Okay, next okay, no problem, I'll keep it like that. Now let us remove this source. Now consider the 20 volts alone. Okay, now let us consider this 20 volts alone. And this 24 volts is also ideal voltage source we are assuming, and so we are short circuiting like this. So how much current is flowing through 3 ohms? బాబు ఎవరన్నా రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వండి దయచేసి. 3.83. So this is because I 20 volts, right, is 3.83. I 24 volts is much? 2.55. So this is a 3.83 in reverse direction. Okay. So net current in forward direction, the current is 2.55. In other in other direction, it is 3.83. So because 3.83 is higher, greater than 2.55,
It will flow backward.
uh,
It will
the net
go
current will be flowing
towards left.
in a right in from right to left in 3 ohms, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what is the net current? 3.83 minus 2.55. How much it is? 1.28 amperes flowing
From right to
right to left. Okay. So that we can verify by connecting this 24 volts here. Okay. So I will sever the connection here and I will connect this 24 volts then, and the ammeter should show 1.28 in reverse direction. Is it showing or not?
Yes, sir.
In which direction it is flowing? From right to left. Okay. Hello.
yes, sir.
So you have verified a superposition theorem. Net current 1.28 is 3.83 minus 2.55, where 3.83 is because of 20 volts and 2.55 is because of
24.
24 volts. Okay. Now what you have to do is everyone take your own choice of resistors, right? And you can keep ammeter wherever you want. Okay. And verify the superposition theorem, right? So superposition theorem is verified or not?
Yes, sir.
Now I can place I can connect a ammeter in series with 5 ohms also. Okay, so like this, you can connect anywhere. Okay, see, open circuit. Are you able to understand what is open circuit here? I will explain you what is open circuit. Okay, so first of all, let us complete this superposition theorem. Then go to um, so this is a the 3.23 amperes is flowing through 5 ohms, right? So this 3.23 is because of 24 volts as well as 20 volts, right? So to understand this, again I will replace this voltage source with a short circuit. Okay, now see, now what is, how much current is flowing here in 3 ohms? How much current is flowing in 3 ohms? Babu?
So no current is passing.
No current is flowing through 3 ohms, right?
Sir.
This is open circuit. ఇక్కడ ఓపెన్ చేసాం కదా, ఇక్కడ ఈ రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఎంత బిట్వీన్ ది ఓపెన్ టెర్మినల్స్, ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాయి కదా రెండు వైర్స్,
0 ohms.
ఇన్ఫైనైట్ ఓమ్స్,
Infinite.
infinite ohms, infinite plus 3, infinite. That's why this source is unable to supply current through this infinite resistance, right? Because it is infinite. So 24 volts divided by infinite also 0, right? So 0 amperes flows through this, right? అర్థమైందా? సో ఇక్కడ వోల్టేజ్ ఎంత ఉంటుంది బిట్వీన్ దీస్ టూ టెర్మినల్స్? To measure voltage between these two terminals, I will connect a voltmeter here. So I got a good idea now. So I will measure voltage between these two. See how much voltage is appearing across open circuit terminals.
13.33.
ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి, what are the properties of open circuit? ఓపెన్ సర్క్యూట్ లో వోల్టేజ్ ఎంత ఉంటుంది? ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ జీరో, ఇట్ మే నాట్ బి జీరో, బట్ కరెంట్ ఈజ్ ఆబ్వియస్లీ జీరో. జీరో కరెంట్ అయినా వెళ్తుంది ఇటు.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఎంత ఉంది ఓపెన్ సర్క్యూట్ లో?
Infinite.
ఇన్ఫైనైట్. సో ఓపెన్ సర్క్యూట్ రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఈజ్ ఆబ్వియస్లీ ఇన్ఫైనైట్, కరెంట్ ఈజ్ జీరో. దీస్ టూ ఆర్ ఫర్ షూర్. ఓపెన్ సర్క్యూట్ లో వోల్టేజ్ ఎంతైనా ఉండొచ్చు, but need not be zero. Okay, అర్థమవుతుందా?
Sir.
So now I will short circuit this. షార్ట్ సర్క్యూట్ చేస్తే అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? జీరో రెసిస్టెన్స్ అవుతుంది. 0 + 3 ohms అన్నమాట ఇటువైపు. సో అంచేత ఇక్కడ మీకు ఎంత వస్తుంది కరెంట్? వాట్ ఈస్ ద I24 volts 1.53 in 5 ohms. అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
So because of this 24 volts, the current flowing through this 5 ohms from top to bottom is 1.53. నోట్ చేసుకుంటున్నారా? ఊరక చూస్తున్నారా? ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాను? I will connect this source here. See, ఇక్కడ మనకి ఈ సర్క్యూట్ లో ఏమీ సోర్స్ లేదు. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ మనకి సోర్స్ 0 అనుకోండి ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. ఇప్పుడు ఓపెన్ సర్క్యూట్ వోల్టేజ్ ఇక్కడ ఎంత ఉంది చూడండి. జీరో వోల్ట్స్ ఉందా బాబు?
Yes, sir.
0 volts it is showing, right? ఎందుకంటే అసలు ఈ సర్క్యూట్ లో అసలు వోల్టేజ్ సోర్సే లేదు. We have removed all the sources, so there is no source in the circuit. Obviously you will get 0. Okay, so that is so okay, now I will connect a source here. Then let us find the open voltage untadi akkada. Let us find the voltage there. Now what will be the voltage? 12.5 volts, right? Open circuit 12.5 volts వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ what is the meaning? Out of this 20 volts, some voltage is dropped across 3 ohms and remaining is appearing across 5 volts. That voltage is available here 12.5 volts, right? ఇక్కడ మనకి వోల్టేజ్ 12.5 ఉంది కదా, ఇదే వోల్టేజ్ ఈ 5 ohms అక్రాస్ కూడా ఉంటుంది చూడండి కావాలంటే. The voltage across 5 ohms is also 12.5. It is because the voltage drop across 4 ohms is 0 because current through 4 ohms is 0. Why current is 0 through 4 ohms? Because it is open circuit here. So there is no current through 4 ohms. That's why you get a wherever you keep here 12.5 volts only. You keep here 12.5 volts only. You keep here, you will get 12.5 volts only. You keep this also here somewhere, there also 12.5 volts. Okay, this entire bottom line is a single node. Okay, so ikkada nunchi this one all ఒక నోడ్ అయిపోయింది ఇక్కడ ఓపెన్ సర్క్యూట్ వల్ల. ఓకే, అది. So okay, now this is not our experiment. We are conducting superposition theorem. We are verifying a superposition theorem. Oh sorry, TCL kada. We have to short circuit this. ఓకేనా? ఇందాక ఎంత వచ్చింది కరెంట్?
1.50.
I24 volts ఎంత?
1.5, sir.
ఇప్పుడు I20 volts
1.70.
1.7, right? So net current, this is 1.7 is also from top to bottom. Both are in the same direction. So net current
Sir,
is
sure, add.
net current is sum of these two currents. Okay. So I20 volts in 5 ohms is 1.7. Previously, the current because of 24 volts is 1.53. అరే బాబు ఎవడన్నా నోట్ చేశాడా? అట్లీస్ట్ 1 person. సిఆర్ సాహితి, B17. I think she left. Okay, so 1.7 amperes. So net current, how do we get total current? By keeping both the sources. the actual current when both the sources are acting in the circuit, because our actual circuit contains two sources. So the actual current is 3.23. Okay, previous I24 volts is 1.53, I20 volts is 1.7. Sum of these two is 3.23. Clear? 1.53 plus 1.7 is equal to 3.23. That is how you are to verify superposition theorem. Is it clear? So while doing the experiment with superposition theorem, I have explained you about open circuit also, right? So in open circuit, the resistance is infinite, the current is zero, the voltage may be zero or may not be zero, but the sure things are resistance is equal to zero, current also is equal to zero. Okay, hello,
Yes.
అర్థమవుతుందా? హలో.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what about the short circuit? We have replaced this source with the short circuit, right? That means we have connected, we have replaced this source with a short circuit. And we have joined like this. This is a zero resistance. So net resistance here is 4 ohms, right? So this terminal and this terminal are same short circuited, right? Now let us connect a voltmeter across the short circuit. How much it is showing?
0 volts.
మోక్షిత్ గారు ఇప్పుడు వచ్చాడు రా బాబు. 0 volts. Short circuit properties are 0 volts. And resistance of the short circuit is how much? How much resistance is here? 0 resistance. Okay, resistance is 0 and voltage is 0 for short circuit. For open circuit, resistance is infinite, current is 0. Sorry, ఇందాక రాంగ్ చెప్పాను by mistake. In open circuit, resistance is infinite, current is 0 for sure. In short circuit, voltage is 0 and resistance is also 0. Is it clear?
Yes.
But current is flowing or not in this path?
Yes, sir.
So current may not be 0. Current is not 0. Okay. Mokshit 24. Mokshit.
Sir, he's logging in for attendance, sir. He'll be joining from next week. Classes.
Attendance.
Yeah, sir.
ఏంటది? What is repeat once again.
నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ నుంచి జాయిన్ అవుతాడు సార్ వాడు క్లాసెస్ ఆడియో
అటెండెన్స్ అని ముందు ఏదో అన్నావు కదా, దట్ వన్.
యా సార్, అంటే అటెండెన్స్ గురించి ఇప్పుడు జాయిన్ అవుతున్నాడు, ఆడియో డిస్కనెక్ట్ అయ్యి.
ఆడియో డిస్కనెక్టెడ్ పెట్టాడా?
యా సార్.
ఏమైంది దానికి జాయిన్ అవ్వడానికి?
అంటే వాళ్ళ ఫాదర్ కి అదే.
Sir, he is not well, sir.
Okay, he is from Mokshit is from Visakhapatnam only.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So corona or what?
Yeah, not exactly, sir, but is not well, sir. That's it.
Okay. So we hope his father will recover soon and Mokshit will join our classes. Right? Okay. So short circuit properties are. Chapandi evaraina one person please.
Zero voltage,
Voltage is 0, sir.
high current.
Voltage is 0, resistance is also 0.
Yes, sir.
But current is not 0. As you are seeing in this wire current is flowing, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, current is not zero. Only voltage and resistance are zero in a short circuit. Whereas in an open circuit,
Resistance is infinity.
Resistance is in
so resistance is a
Infinite.
resistance is infinite.
current
and
is
current is zero, and voltage
not equal to.
student 12.5, right? And this is open circuit, right? So this video I will upload. Right now, someone has come. Okay. Oh, chat box message I have. Indrakant. So is it clear to all of you? Superposition theorem is clear? Abo.
Yes, sir.
So superposition theorem is clear. Short circuit I have made you clear. Open circuit also I have made you clear. So I hope you all have understand these concepts, and I hope you also conduct this experiment on your own and show. Okay. So it's already 10, 12, 12, 10, 15 already. Now after from 10, 20 onwards, you people have to show me your experiment. Okay. Okay. So I will call number wise. Those people have to respond. So those who did not respond, I will consider them as absent to this experiment, and the marks for this experiment are not going to be awarded. Okay. So right. So I will call number wise. You have to start showing. So now use your gadgets to open that link provided, fed.colorado, and conduct experiment. Choose the values of resistors of your own choice, right? It is your choice to select the resistances and the voltage sources. Don't make too much high voltages here, right? So if we make a voltage like this, say the resistance and battery will burn, it will show like this, right? Too much current it is flowing. Okay. Right. So there are current ratings and limitations, right? If we keep a fuse here in series with this source, okay, that also I will show. Let us keep a fuse 15 milliohms. This is, it will it's a fuse, so it can carry a current less than or equal to 4 amperes maximum. Okay. Now if I make this source to supply more than 4 amperes by keeping a, see, fuse is gone. Okay. Otherwise above 64 volts I had made this source, right? So this 64 volts is causing a current to flow through this path more than a current of with a current which is greater than 4 amperes, and which this fuse cannot tolerate, and melts and breaks and makes the circuit open and protects the all devices, the source as well as 4 ohms. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That one. So that's why it is showing how much infinite resistance, infinite milliohms it is showing breakdown, right? ఓపెన్ సర్క్యూట్ అయిపోయింది, ఇన్ఫైనైట్ ఓమ్స్. So you have to remove this and replace this with a newer one. ఫ్యూజ్ పోయినప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? కొత్త ఫ్యూజ్ వేయాలి. ఓకే, పాత ఫ్యూజ్ మళ్ళీ పని చేయదు. So this fuse is 15 milliohms. Now the source is having a excuse me. Okay, I think I will stop here. Now it is your turn. So 31 B17. B17, show your experiment. Are you there? Kiran Datta, are you there? B17 4. Change the values of resistances and sources. Next 38 B17. B17. Roll number 60 B17. Okay, 57 B32 Mahesh Kumar. B17 32. B17 37. B30 55. Sai Jaswant. B17 15. B30 42. Pranav B30 42. Not there. See, don't keep me chat messages. I am not following them. Okay, I don't consider them. So I am calling your numbers so that you will share your screen immediately, not to put a message in the chat box. Okay. B17 58. Anil,
Yes, sir.
show me your experiment.
Sir, could you see it? Hello, sir.
That show me current because of 20 volts source.
Sir, I'm in mobile, sir. It's not correctly. I will log in through laptop, sir.
When will you log in through laptop?
Now I'll log in.
Don't do such things. I'm unable to give a second chance for everyone who logs in through mobile. Okay.
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
I think you have logged into in two devices. It is showing here.
Yeah, sir. I'm doing in laptop, sir. I log in two devices, sir. I'm connecting to it.
Okay. 43 B30 43. Bhavan. B30 43 Bhavan. Not responding. B17 37. Okay, I have already called her. B32 49. B32 49.
Sir.
What is
Excuse me, sir.
shape? How did I do? Why are you doing in such a crooked shapes?
Sir, it's get like
Huh? Are you not interested in doing experiment in a proper manner? Except one or two,
sir,
everyone
it's
is.
got like that. So I'm changing the size.
Huh? You have to
I'm doing this.
not now, Amma. You have to do it earlier, right? Because so many people are there to share their screen, no?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So okay, no problem. Next time onwards, you don't do like this. Connect a proper
Okay.
shape. Okay. Okay, you are done.
Okay, sir.
No problem. B32 49, right? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, you can stop. Shanmukh, roll number 2.
Hello, sir, is it visible?
Yeah. Okay, show me current due to this 23 volts.
Yes.
Current due to 23 volts, not because of 9 volts. Hello, Shanmugh, are you there? B3244, last number. B3244, roll number 44, section B32. So show me current in 4 ohms. So why don't you keep that ordinary ammeter? Next time use that only, okay? Okay, for this week, we will stop here because already it 10:56. So I found that 1, 2, 3,
Sir,
4, 5,
can I
6,
share the screen, sir?
11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. Share. 14 members have not responded to a call by a faculty to show their experiment. To 55. I have called you now previously. Why didn't you respond then? Huh?
No, sir. I went out, sir. Now only.
Why
Yes.
did you went out like that?
Just father called, sir.
No, you have joined with a different name, I think, right?
No, sir. I was there, sir. Ask everyone. Sir. I was there.
Okay. So B30 55. Okay.
Yes.
You've done. Right.
Sir, roll number 3.
Huh?
17, roll number 3.
Roll number?
3, not the obvious.
I didn't call you, no? Okay, next time you can show. Okay, if you want
It's okay,
to
sir.
show it now. No problem.
Sir, is my screen visible, sir?
Yeah, visible. Okay, you can stop.
Thank you.
Sir, can I show my screen now?
B30 52.
B30 51.
I'm calling B30 52. Okay, you can show Bal Subramaniam.
Yes, sir.
51, now just
53. Sir, I am 53, sir. B32 53.
B30 51. Okay. Okay, done. Next, what about 52 B30? Not responding. And,
Session really.
So it's already time up. Those who have shown, you can leave.
Sir, can I share the screen, sir?
B32 47.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I can show. Right. Done. B32 53. Okay. Done. B32 51. మళ్ళీ ఎందుకు వచ్చా బాబు అయిపోయింది
Yes, sir.
B32 51 done. Next, who else? B30 44 I have called, not responded. B30. Okay, B17 25. B17 25. Okay. B30 48. B30 48. Not respond. B32 44. Okay, yes, shown. B32 48 has shown. Jahnavi, right. Okay, today I will stop here and we shall meet in the afternoon for the theory class, right? So you can all leave now.